Good morning guys. Kuha ulit tayo ng coffee sa Tim Hortons, no? Then natin ko. Good morning bro.
Yes, man.
How are you? How are you?
See you, man.
Good man,
How you
you?
doing today?
Very good, very good.
Yeah, man.
I have some coffee for you bro.
The cold is not holding
Wait,
you
wait.
today.
How much my coffee is
Got it cold today.
it's perfect.
Yeah, man. Good to see you, man.
Okay, good to see you bro. Okay, you too. So nandito palagi yun. Yung bubukas ang pinto. Ito yung kahit kailan, no? Malakas ang Tim Hortons. Guys, tingnan natin. Kuha lang naman akong kape, wala na ibang breakfast. No? Hi, good morning. Can I have a medium coffee?
Yeah.
One cream, one sugar.
Yes.
Bless you. And a large iced coffee with almond milk. Yeah. $6. Got it?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Alright guys, dito kami sa CAA.
Dala mo yun, yung nasa lisensya mo.
Lisensya ko.
Di ba may papel yun?
Hindi naman kailangan. Basta yung lisensya mo lang. Oo. CAA. Dito ka muna. Magkukuha ng international license si Mrs. So guys, may mga accessories na pwedeng bilhin. Ayun, pagkakamuha ka ng CAA dito sa mismo, meron kang 15% para sa kung bumili ka, pag bumiyahe ka. Then 5% pag kumuha ka ng CAA guys. Talagang magagandang bag eh. Ang travel. Tapos may mga luggages na sila dito guys. Ang ganda ng bag rito ha. Ito, pwede yung mga pambiyahe no. Tsaka hindi siya mababasa, mga quality rin. And then meron silang kung ano accessories. Ipay. Mabilis nga pag gumana. I'm going to pay for my license.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have an appointment?
No appointment
No, it's in this line.
on this line, yeah?
There's no appointments.
Okay.
And one last thing, I have to check. You have your permit on you?
Yeah.
Can you just flash it 1 second?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Perfect. Keep it close. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. All right. So dito rin pabila pagka wala kang appointment. Pag may appointment ka doon sa kabila. So pila tayo guys. Malalaman natin kung how much is to pay for your license?
They'll tell you that, but they didn't send you a paper?
Oh yeah, they did, huh?
Yeah.
I forgot exactly how much is it, yeah.
Well, it's either for your birthday or just.
The birthday in February, so yeah.
Yeah, so it's probably that.
It's around that, yeah.
I don't know how much it is. For me, it was like I paid 60.
How much did you pay? $64 you pay for
Me, I
yours?
paid 64.
$64. I'll probably get the same thing.
Probably.
You never know. More or less,
No,
right?
I think they actually to 100 now. It was $64 or something. Or was it
Before it was like more.
98? I forget. completely.
$84, yeah?
Go down like 23.
It went down?
Yeah, it went down to 23 before, yeah.
Now probably it's gonna go.
It's gonna go up.
Did it go back up this year to like 100 or something? I don't even remember.
Yeah, probably you're right. Around 60 something now, because it used to went down to
Used to be
23.
around that.
Yeah,
Not even sure. I haven't driven since last year.
still not bad, yeah, because it used to be like 200, 300 something dollars before, you know.
Well, it depends what. If it's the birthday fee, it's small. If it's like the yearly fee or whatever.
Yeah, usually on your birthday, you know, you renew that, yeah. Yeah, so maybe
Well, no, but there's one fee for your birthday and a separate fee to renew it.
or to renew is different thing, yeah. But just to pay,
So,
because mine's still good at to $1 you paid for it. Only 51. Okay, that's good. But that's not. So pati yung lisensya mo na, wala na. It's the same thing, just use yung license mo.
Ah, yun lang.
Or you just have to bring this. I mean,
Dadaling
just
ko
in
ito.
case.
Ito, kasi may litrato ko to eh.
This one.
Oo, ayun.
Okay, so just in case you
Yeah.
you
At
get a
saka yung-
ticket,
Tsaka international. Tsaka yung Canadian license na.
and this one, that's it. Okay. Ito yung pinaka identification mo, di ba? So just in case mahuli ka ng police,
Ito, dito
you have
lang
to show
ako
this and this
titikitan
license, yeah.
You have to pay.
Okay, but that's not bad, yeah. Man, you can run, you can run.
You'll see.
Yeah, that's good. That's good advice.
Nung kasama kita, di
You can drive,
talagang 100%.
you can drive scooter too. Scooter
No.
or bike or something, you know.
Hindi, dahil ito para sa ano lang.
You go to Boracay and then you drive around, yeah.
Saan mo na pupunta?
Just saying. That's nice.
So, hindi mo na kailangan ng papel? Yan na lang?
No, you just have to pay for expiration 2031 pa eh.
Hindi, yung ano
So I
lang,
have
yung license lang.
5 more years, yeah. You just have to pay for my license. No, he was just asking before. If I have an appointment, you have to go on that line. If you don't have an appointment, you come.
Parang mas mabilis
No, I
dito
forgot how
ngayon.
much you have to pay for the license now. Isn't that $100? Okay, because you just told me it's like $63 or something. The guy that works here, yeah. So now it's $100.
Ako alam, hindi ko nakagdaan eh.
Okay, it went up. It used to be 23, yeah. It went down really good. Tumaas na pa lang yan.
Upo muna kaya kayo. Tawagin mo na.
Doon, right there, you can sit there if you want. So kaya pala pag gumawa ka ng international license, guys, kaya pala yung mga vlogger na pupunta ng Vietnam, if you're Canadian or American, they don't drive. Unless maybe you're an American, I don't know. Maybe you can get international license from there. Because kasi pagkakasabi ni Mrs., you can drive to Cambodia and Vietnam if you have international license from Canada. But the rest you can actually drive. So that's a good thing, right? So pero pagka taga-US ka, probably it's different. Maybe you can drive anywhere. So that's the only thing, yeah. Yeah. We'll see. That's a good thing. Only for $51, that's a good price to pay. Yeah. So nauna siya sa akin dahil may appointment. Pag may appointment ka, nauna kang ipaprioritize ka nila. So kala ko ako na yun. And then ako na siguro next kasi wala nang tao dito sa kabila. Yeah. Which is maganda rito, guys, kasi mabilis dito. Pag pumunta ka doon sa may Dicari na SAQ, matagal doon. Maraming tao, tsaka mabagal doon. No? Dito express, kung gusto mo mabilisan, hindi ka masyado maghihintay, maganda rito. So may another appointment, mauuna siya pag may appointment. Pag dumami may appointment, matatagalan ako. Pero maganda rito kasi lahat, ilang bintana, 4 meron sila. So we'll see. Just ask mahal kasi it doesn't make any sense na you don't need license mag-drive ka ng bike.
No, I need for a car.
Kaya nga mahal, we will ask. Akin na yung... Oh. Nanap namin guys yung winners, no? Dali ng mga tindahan na meron dito sa dito sa Fairview Mall. Yeah, nandito kami sa Fairview Mall. Maaga pa, no? Ano yun? Winners sa baba? Okay, nasa baba pala yung winners. Hinahanap namin, guys. Hindi ko dala yung stick ko, kaya medyo mauga siguro tong ating camera, no? So, dalawa mabukas na, pero karamihan ng store sarado pa siya.
There's a difference in how she's being treated.
Oh, ang ganda sa winners, ano? Ano, no? May mga gold sila, no? Gold and silver. Yung mga guys, oh. Gold and necklace, ano? Tsaka silver meron sila. Wow, pati pearl, oh. Totoo kaya ang pearl yan. Meron sila guys, mga pearl, oh. Okay din yung mga presyo nila, no? Itong sa pearl is $129, oh. 129, ito $50 yung mas maliit, guys. So, ito may mga silver sila. Ayan. Sterling silver yan, argent is silver. Sterling silver, ibig sabihin, oh. Meron sila. Si madam eh, titingin-tingin.
Package, my own. Package.
May mga gold, silver din naman, no? Iba gold plated lang. Yeah. Yung mga, ito pa panlalaki guys, eh. Panlalaki ng mga gold and silver. Yeah. Yung mga pambabae na glasses meron din dito. Guys, ang gandang bag ito. Nakita ko rito sa ano, sa Jordan, no? First, ang ganda guys, no? Naka-sale siya. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung magkano yung presyo, no? Pero it's a good buy, no? Dito sa Winners. Sa Winners makakita ka talaga sale. So napakaganda guys, no? Nakakita ko rito, no? Tiempo to, no? Tiempo. So napakaswerte ko na nakakita ng Jordan bag. Yeah. May isa pa natira, no?
They probably wanted like rotation like we have now, you know?
No, namimili pa kami ni Madam.
100%.
Nakakita rin ako ng isang sombrero. Guys, yun yung mga bag, ano? Ito isa pa maganda guys, oh. Nike, ito rin Jordan din, oh. Na bag. Diba? Napakaganda. Mga pang-traveling bag, sports bag, meron sila, no? So guys, tapos na kami sa Winners na Madam. Pupunta na kami sa Columbus kasi gusto ko kumain ni Mrs. ng breakfast. Bibili siya ron guys, ano? Ayun, oh, bukas na yung mga tindahan, no? Kasi almost 10, I think 10 o'clock, no? Alas 10 na guys, kaya bukas na yung mga tindahan dito sa Derby Mall. Alright, so nag-enjoy lang kami, ano? You know? Napakaganda rito sa mall na to kasi napakalinis. Diba, as you can see, oh. Talagang ayan, oh. Ang ganda, diba? Malinis yung lugar. And then siguro pauwi na rin kami.
See, when we went here, we went up only to find out na from there where we went in,
Yeah.
straight ahead lang pala Winners.
Ang Winners. Kasi,
Look.
yeah, kasi umakyat tayo sa second
Oo.
floor, di ba?
Kasi akala ko sa taas eh, kasi nakakita kanina nakalagay.
Oo, umakyat kami sa second floor, kala namin nandun. Di ba? Ito Swarovski, oh. Si Ivana Alawi ata ang ano niya, di ba? Parang gano'n. Ay hindi, sino ba yun yung sa Hollywood na celebrity? Ato. Bumili ka sa mga Lotion, ang bango, no? No, I got some already. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Nga, punta raw kami ng Columbus, bibili lang siya ng breakfast niya. And then, meron din dito ano, Mang Virginia. So this is probably yung mga fruit shakes na meron sila rito. At ito yung mga flavor na fresh fruit, guys. For $9.99, $10. Ayan, oh. Meron silang mango spirals, cubes, fruits. Morocco mango, $11.25, guys. Ayan, oh. Bubble mango, $11.99. So okay din, no? Yeah. So yun nga, si Mrs. pumunta rito, guys, sa Columbus, no? Bago umuwi, makabili kami doon sa beer. Kakain ka muna rito? Sa bahay na?
Sa kotse, di ba?
So yun nga, no? Masaya din ako, guys, kahit paano nakabili ako ng sombrero. Masaya ako dito sa bili na to, no? Sa Nike Jordan, guys. Na murang-mura siya. Hindi ko na sabihin yung presyo, pero talaga nakasale siya. Diba? Jordan. Which is, kasi ito pag summer, guys. Gamit na gamit ko ito, ginagamit ko ito pagka summer. Hindi ka ito pag winter, itong jacket ko maraming busa, no? Saka yung pantalon. Pag summer, syempre naka-t-shirt ka lang. May mga camera ako, may mga gamit ako na kung ano, pitaka, salamin. Nilagay ako, which is may ganito ko, doon sana ako kay Arvin Angeles, no? May vlog nga pala siya, no? Watch his vlog, Arvin Angeles. Meron siyang bag na blue, ginagamit ko na maliit lang. Ito, nakita ni Mrs. to, guys, kanina, sabi niya, kita mo, pagtingin namin, talaga nakasale siya. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung presyo, ayaw ko na sabihin.
This from me, Happy birthday,
Tapos ito, syempre, para kay Ate Meg, no? Kaya sigurado, Ate Meg, no? May bag ka, bili sa Iliyaya, no? Ha? Tapos nakabili din ako sa sale, hindi ko na sasabihin, sale siya, no? Pag kami namimili, guys, sale lang. Kaya hindi ko bira kami bumili ng talaga medyo, siya, full price, unless na talagang kailangan mo. Pag hindi kailangan, mga sale na ganito.
Pagka gusto mo.
Oo, pag gusto mo.
Katulad yung jacket na nagustuhan ko, sabi mo sale, hindi sale yun, ano?
Oo.
Labas yun ng Zara.
Yeah. So, yun nga. Pagka sale, yan minsan talaga pagka kailangan mo bumili, di ba? Kahit na hindi sale. Pero usually pagka namimili kami sale. Yeah. So, ano yan? Nakaya mo na rito?
Hindi, sa kotse, sa bahay na. Kasi,
Sa bahay na? Sige,
kasi
na.
doon yung kape ko rin nasa
Okay,
kotse.
papalam na kami, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.